Everybody, this is Diane Seccombe, and then it was 2024. So, we've got a very big year ahead of us, our election year. It's a big one. And you know that we've got a very nervous heart when we think about our minister's budget speech on the 21st of February this year. Our finance minister, Minister Enoch Godongwana, has really walked a very, very disciplined fiscal line with the policies that he's given to us. So we wait with, as I say, nervousness for his budget speech because we know we haven't had the tax collections that we would have liked. Our big tax contributor, the mining sector, has been very hard hit with the logistical and infrastructure constraints that they've faced. So tax collections from that big major contributor are down. We know that economically things are tough, but there's a lot to pay for. So where's the money going to come from? Very, very difficult to increase taxes, income taxes and VAT in an election year for any ruling party. So we really do wait to see what our minister is proposing for us. We also had a lot of far-reaching tax amendments coming from the amendments last year. We see big changes with non-resident beneficiaries to our local trusts, of big consequence to local trusts where so many beneficiaries are finding themselves resident outside South Africa. Big changes within our trusts themselves in respect of expenses we're going to be allowed to deduct against interest income coming into the trust. Where are we with the two-pot system and our retirement funds? What's that information and legislation looking like? And when's that all coming into effect? So, ladies and gents, those are just a few of the changes because sadly, we also got to go into the land of controlled foreign companies, the dreadful CFCs, to understand a little bit about a very big decision in front of the Constitutional Court at the moment in respect of one of our investment houses. And just to understand and remind ourselves a little bit more about that and the changes made last year in this regard. So what are you going to do? You're going to join me as we try and make sense of it all. The good, hopefully, the bad. And ladies and gents, just see what are the tax consequences coming out of our budget speech? What are the ramifications of the actual tax changes made last year? So it is really such a pleasure to see everybody face to face at the sessions we'll be having around the country. And of course, for those who can't wait for you to join me online. But please join me. It'll be great to hear your feedback, see what we've got to understand, and just try to make sense of some of it all. I really look forward to everybody joining me for the update and the budget speech event.